Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand the keys in SQL. What are keys? Are we discussing about a wonderful key set key, or we are discussing about a Godrej now tall keys with 7 levers? Not really. We are discussing about keys in SQL. What are keys in SQL? We already discussed about what is a relation or a table or an entity. When we are talking about relation, an entity or a table, there should be a mechanism to identify the tuples or rows uniquely. That is where keys come into picture. Keys will help us to identify each tuple in a relation uniquely. Tuple is nothing but a record or a row. Relation is nothing but a entity or a table. So when we talk about the tables, there are no tables without the keys, and obviously multiple tables make up the database. So keys are essential elements of any relational database. It is not only about a key helping us to identify each tuple in a relation. Keys also help us to establish the relationship among the tables. It will be T1 and T2. But the question is, why do we need keys? Let us understand that by an example. Here in this case, it's a table, isn't it? Table has three attributes: attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3. Or you can say column 1, column 2, and column 3. If you see, we have Arun, who is of 23 years age, who stays in BSK third stage. And we have Brinda, who stays in Los Angeles. There is one more Arun who stays in Singapore. So now, if I want to get a address of Arun, then there is an ambiguity here, right? We have two Aruns here. We don't know how to identify a Arun whom we want. That is where, by introducing a one more column called student ID, will be able to identify this tuple or a row uniquely. For example, now if you want to get an address of a Arun whose student ID is 1001, then it's clear. So it's very, very important for us to have a unique keys to identify a row or a record. We do have multiple keys like super key, candidate key, primary key, unique key, alternate key, surrogate key, foreign key, and composite key. Let us look at them one by one as a part of our next video. Thank you.